Today is 4 December. The next stage of the trip has now begun, exploring the area around the Vach River. I changed my clothes. I have thicker pants that insulate better. I'm near the city of Hlohovec in Slovakia in the European Union. I arrived at this place yesterday. I slept here without shelter. The night temperature was above freezing. I am currently using 2 sleeping bags. I will put one inside the other. The outer one is summer sleeping bag, and the other is thicker and about 20 years old, so it insulated worse. It will not rain today, but I want to build a tarp shelter. Sorry. I prepared my food by cooking. I brought roasted meat from the home that I had previously found frozen and cheap in a garbage can. I added home-made potatoes and industrial onions bought at a grocery store. In this winter, it is necessary to eat food and drink hot tea, broth or water. So, and now I show you my food. The meat is from garbage. Sorry. Daniel. It is currently 3.7 degrees Celsius, which is 38.5 degrees Fahrenheit. According to the weather forecast, it should be 0 degrees Celsius, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit in the morning. Good morning. It's the morning of the next day of the trip, and it's minus 3 degrees of Celsius, and this is 26.6 degrees of Fahrenheit. Sorry, it's minus 2.8 degrees Celsius. I'm charging my headlamp and electronic cigarette and mobile and power banks. I have inside in sleeping bags because it's warm. Outside is cold, and I'm charging my things in the sleeping bag. Because the water is hot for drinking and my apple is cold, I'm warming up the apple in the water. For sleeping in the night, I use 2 cups, and in the day, if it's warmer, I use this cup for sitting. For sitting here because it's good insulation for my ass. Yes. Yes, it's better. And apple is good. Oh, it's warm. And for breakfast, I'm warming up half of this meat can. Fat meat is perfect. One piece of garlic, but I eat fresh. I don't cook it. And after if is the water boiled, the food I stay here for cold weather, and next time I use oat flakes, and it's breakfast for Daniel. This is Wach River, and this is small lake, and the water is frozen. Now I'm walking in my home, and it's snow. It's snow. This is my rucksack, backpack. I'm in sandals, but my feet are very cold. Very cold, but I'm okay. It is cold, and this is very little warm. It's okay. I have 1 hour walking to bus station, and it's okay. It's okay. And it's not freezing. It's not freezing, Daniel, stop.